I don't like bowling tournaments with formats like this. I don't know why. I mean, I know why I bowled. It's $50,000 for first place. That's why I bowled. But man, that sucks. I'm going back one-handed. Before we get started with the video, I'd appreciate if you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that red button. It helps us out a ton here, help us get that algorithm going in the way that we want it to go. But anyways, yes, you heard it here first. We are bowling one-handed today. I'm not switching back to one-handed, but it's a one-ball tournament for $50,000. It's split up by divisions in a bunch of different ways. It's crazy: pro, amateur, left-handed, right-handed, age. But it just felt like the smart play to not have to bowl against Simo and Boog and a lot of the better two-handers, especially because you only get one ball, and shooting spares two-handed I'm not very good at. Go to the secondary channel for vlogs and league. Every 10,000 subs we're gonna give away a ball. At the time I'm filming this, we're at 15K, so we're about halfway to the next ball. But Jana's gonna be on the cam today, and we're bowling at Gold Coast. We're gonna go inside, and we're gonna get warmed up. We're all taped up. Haven't been taped up in a minute. Here we go.
Yay!
Bug.
Are we live?
We're well, we're not live, but
Are we
we're
on?
recording.
We're on.
Are you excited for this?
Dude, I'm thrilled. Happy to be in Vegas. We're throwing plastic balls for 50K.
Your one ball and your three ball bag?
Yeah, my one ball, shoes, chamois, everything.
You're vlogging this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, guys, go over to the house and watch their video.
Yeah, it's
watch this video, watch their video.
And then
hopefully one of us
right
wins.
now.
Yeah, you got Wes. We got S over there. You guys may not know, but this is Joey Pants.
It's two-handers. He hates us.
All right, well, we got practice, right? Yeah. Practice at 11?
11.
Well,
are we
let's
one
go.
hand this week?
One hand.
One hand.
I didn't expect it to feel good, but we threw some strikes, so that was cool. The wrist does not feel great, but we got 5 games. This is the practice session. You gotta make sure to try not to hit it too hard. I think that's the key. That's the lane.
Did you hear the wrist on fire right now?
The wrist does not feel great.
Dang. Wrist brace?
Should I get a wrist brace? Yeah, let me borrow yours. Anyways, we're gonna go get some lunch, and then we'll be back later for 5 games. One-handed, 5 games. Enjoy it while it lasts. Because these next couple of vlogs are probably the only time you're gonna see people one-handed all year. So we'll see you in a little bit. I can tell you right now that switching to 2 hands was the play for me. I already feel the little twinge in my elbow. It's not feeling great. So I hit the pocket a lot and shot 230. 230 seems like a pretty good score. But the scores don't really matter because everyone makes it to the bracket. This is just for seeding. I just have to finish higher than 7th and I get a bye. But you have to win 2 matches to double your money. And nothing really matters unless you get to the finals and win that. I feel okay, but it's a little messy right now. So 230 game 1, I'm averaging 230, one-handed. Should I go back? Let me know.
No.
Immediately.
No.
I'll tell you what though, I don't like seeing how much less rev rate I have, less ball speed. Everything's just less. I don't miss bowling one-handed. I truly don't. strikes that game? 260. We're 99 over now after 2. I have a pretty good idea of what I need to do. I just got to be able to keep doing it. Very curious to see how the lanes are going to end up. I think when they start getting tighter down lane, I have to move further left. We're going to have some issues. We'll see. I guess it wasn't a fluke. Hi, bro.
Hi, Ken.
Wasn't a fluke. We bowled another 260. So the one-handed return, we're back. I don't love it though. I can feel it in my elbow. It doesn't feel good. For those of you that commented on my Instagram story, go, no, don't do it. Don't worry, I'm not doing it. It's literally just for this tournament. But I am striking quite a bit, and I haven't moved my feet in 3 games. Bowling's a lot easier when you don't have to think about moving. When you're lined up with a ball that doesn't hook, and you're striking, well, what's there to think about?
Okay. .237 that game. Had a little trouble carrying the corners on the left lane, but we've been slapping the pocket all day. It's not very hard. Just got to figure out how to strike. 204 over, which means we're averaging 251 in our one-handed return. We got one more game of the sweeper that doesn't matter, and then see where we end up for. I don't even really know what bracket, who we're bowling. I don't know. I'm just bowling until they tell me to stop bowling. Finish, a few 230s, a couple of 260s, plus 240. We almost averaged 250 in our comeback. Don't know if this means anything. I mean, a little bit of confidence for sure. I can feel my elbow a little bit, so that's not good. But we were bowling tomorrow regardless. Hey, average almost 250, bowling one-handed. If you guys made it this far, appreciate you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know if you guys are liking the one-hand game, if we should make a comeback. Alright, the real tournament started today. Yesterday was just a formality and practice. Like I said, I needed some games to bowl. Somehow I bowled really good. None of it matters for today. But I got one match today. If I win my match, I make it to tomorrow. I win my division because there's only 2 people in my division. Yeah, hopefully the cards are in my favor. I win the coin flip and we'll go from there. But my opponent hasn't bowled a game over 200 in his 5 games. And my lowest game is 234. I kind of hope we follow suit and do the same thing. But in any case, we gotta throw 10 frames. He's gonna throw 10 frames, and then we'll go from there. What do you think of this tournament so far?
I don't think you want to hear my thoughts. I just think it's stupid that we bowled 5 games yesterday for seeding, and then you have to come today to bowl 1 game. And then you probably have to come back tomorrow after you win today.
Hopefully we win today, because if we don't, that's $1,000 in the hole. don't like bowling tournaments with formats like this. I really don't. I don't know why. I mean, I know why I bowled. It's $50,000 for first place. That's why I bowled. But like I said, guy didn't bowl 200 a single game yesterday, and then he threw a miracle 4-bagger to start the game, and I have strike, 9-pin, upper deck 7, strike to start. So off the rip, that's 31 pins that I don't get in a 1-game match. Yeah, I mean, I'm literally, I understand that's how bowling is. I'm just very frustrated right now. This is kind of, it really is. Like, cool. Guy doesn't bowl 200 a single game yesterday. Has the front 4. He leaves a 3-9-10 and he aces it. Parlays that Brooklyn into Brooklyn 8-10 hit strike somehow, and I can't get my ball to go through the pins the right way. Yeah, it's cool. Yep, that's bowling. Bowling, very cool. Yep. So, yeah, 1 and done. $1,000 in the hole. Cool. I'm just angry. I really am. Like, did my whole spiel. Dropped the F-bomb really loud. Slam my car door, slam my trunk, throw my phone somewhere, hope it's broken. And, yeah, you know, this kind of thing happens. Sucks. I'll let it out. Tournament's done. Saving grace. Put me out of my misery so I don't have to experience it again tomorrow. But I suppose you only feel it once because it's single elimination. So, yeah, nothing against the tournament. I just hate this format. I don't like these eliminator kind of, you know, the coin flip. Like, the coin just happened to flip the wrong way for me almost every time. Yeah, can't say I want to bowl this tournament again because unless I'm bowling for a PBA title, I probably won't bowl these single elimination bracket format type deals. They make me so angry. I hate this format so much. Thanks for watching, guys. The one-handed run has come to an end. Maybe it'll happen again in the future. Maybe not. But my body doesn't like it. I don't really like it. Yeah, I literally bowled 8-15 in league last night, right after bowling one-handed here. And watching my ball hit the pins and making them fall down more often than not definitely makes me lean towards bowling two-handed. So, yeah. Man, that sucks. First round. They couldn't even do that to me later in the tournament where I can make a little bit of money. But, yep. Cool. Well, congrats to him. You know, he put the shots online when he needed to. I'm just frustrated. I am. Like, I feel like I can break a lot of things right now because bowling is very much like that sometimes. Yep. Bye.